This is number 2 on your homework, and when you look at number 2, it has one term equals a net one term. So we can really cross multiply it on this particular problem. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to multiply the 3 times the 2a plus 1. So let me get that. So I'm going to multiply the 3 times 2a plus 1. And I multiply the 7 times a minus 8. So when I rewrite that, I'm going to write the 3 down first, and then 2a plus 1 equals 7 times a minus 8. Now, this is a multi-step equation. So we're going to do some distributing. We're going to be doing some combining like terms and solving. So we're going to distribute the 3. So 3 times 2a is 6a. And 3 times 1 is 3. And 7 times a is 7a. And 7 times negative 8 is negative 56. So we've got variables on either side of the equal sign. So we want all of our a's on the left-hand side and all of our numbers on the right-hand side. So I'm going to go ahead and get my a's on the left-hand side. I'm going to subtract 7a. And if you can just move that in your head and move it over, go right ahead. You don't have to do that step where I subtract 7a from 7a is 0. You can just put it underneath the 6a. So that is a negative 1a. And then I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. And negative 56 minus 3 is negative 59. Now I have a negative 1, and I want that to be a positive 1, so I'm going to divide by a negative. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. So in this problem, a equals 59. Now we need to go back and make sure that that's not an extraneous denominator. So you can plug in 59 minus 8 and get a whole number, and 2 times 59 plus 1 will also give you a whole number. So that answer will work.